Have you ever imagined becoming the owner of a next-generation crypto trading platform that doesn't just facilitate trades, but drives the future of digital finance, a platform where your brand stands at the center of a full trading ecosystem, and you hold the keys to real value creation? When you first explore the Binance demo, you see more than a script. You see a powerful, scalable trading automation system built to handle spot trades, peer-to-peer deals, binary options, and even futures contracts, all under your control. Binance is designed not as a throwaway template, but as a long-term fintech business foundation, enabling you to build a serious digital asset company with real growth potential. Binance offers a multi-wallet architecture that gives users separate balances for spot, funding, and futures. That structure not only improves security and clarity, but also opens up strategic business opportunities. You can define internal wallet incentives, offer internal transfers, or create promotional funding wallets that drive engagement. Because your users can move assets smoothly between wallets, they remain deeply engaged within your ecosystem, increasing trading volume, stickiness, and ultimately the revenue flowing through the platform. Real-time market data is baked in, live price feeds, order book updates, and trade tickers synchronize seamlessly, giving your users a highly professional trading experience. This level of data integration builds trust, because traders see the market moving as they expect on major exchanges. The inclusion of 4 trading modes, spot, peer-to-peer, binary, and futures, means you can serve a diverse audience. Some users will prefer simple spot trades, others will engage in peer-to-peer deals, many will experiment with binary options, and experienced traders will leverage futures. That diversity lets you appeal to both retail traders and more advanced users, expanding your target market significantly. One of Binance's biggest strategic advantages lies in its payment infrastructure. It supports 30+ global gateways, including credit cards, mobile payments, and crypto deposits and withdrawals. By enabling multiple deposit and withdrawal methods, you remove a major barrier for onboarding customers from different regions. This gives you access to global markets, allowing you to design local pricing, currency-specific pairs, or regionally tailored features. Coupled with lifetime license and no monthly fees, Binance becomes a powerful capital-efficient way to build a global trading business, your platform, under your brand, generating value for years. The platform's multi-level referral system is not just a growth hack, it's a core growth engine. Users who refer others can earn rewards, and because trading volume enters your funnel with more users, your growth compounds. Over time, the referral system becomes a viral lever. You reward your most engaged and loyal users, who in turn bring more traders in, boosting deposits, trades, and liquidity. That means your user acquisition costs can shrink while your volume and community grow exponentially. Security and compliance are carefully thought through. The platform supports 2-factor authentication, KYC verification, and social login including MetaMask, giving you flexibility in how users register and verify their identities. With full session tracking, wallet behavior monitoring, and configurable trade limits, you can enforce risk controls and build trust. For institutional or semi-institutional users, that kind of governance and security is critical, and offering it under your own brand positions you as a serious operator, not just a script reseller. From a monetization standpoint, Binance gives you multiple levers. Every trade executed, spot, binary, futures, can be subject to fees, giving you a direct revenue stream linked to platform usage. Deposits or withdrawals can be monetized with small service fees. You can design premium account tiers for high-volume traders or users who want enhanced capabilities, such as priority support, higher limits, or deeper analytics. The referral program itself, when structured cleverly, becomes a cost-effective acquisition channel, turning users into marketers and scaling your user base with minimal paid spend. A truly compelling business model arises when you combine subscription or membership features with transaction-driven revenue. You might offer a subscription plan that unlocks exclusive features, advanced charting, leverage trading, or early access to futures markets. Or you design a membership that grants fee discounts, VIP level withdrawals, or loyalty benefits. Because you own the platform, You can experiment with pricing, test different business models, and optimize for retention without relying on third-party rules. Let's talk about global expansion. Because Binance supports many payment methods globally and has flexible wallet architecture, you can localize your operations for specific regions. Imagine launching localized versions for Southeast Asia, Latin America, or Africa, each tailored with regional payment options, local currency pairs, and compliance measures. That means your platform doesn't just serve a niche, it can scale and adapt to global demand, giving you a massive addressable market. From a cost efficiency and speed to market perspective, using Binance is a game changer. Building a custom exchange with spot, peer-to-peer, binary, and futures from scratch would take a large engineering team, months of development, and heavy integration work. With Binance, you skip that entire development phase. The real work for you becomes acquiring users, setting up payment pipelines, managing support, and building liquidity. You invest in business growth instead of reinventing the wheel. Long term, your platform becomes a digital asset itself. As your user base grows, as trading volume increases, and as more users deposit funds to trade, the platform accrues intrinsic value. Investors in fintech often value platforms based on active users, transaction volume, recurring revenue, and potential for scaling. When you launch Binance under your brand and build real traction, you're not just building a business, you're creating an investable, sellable company that could attract strategic partners, VC, or even be acquired. Your role transforms from a code buyer to a financial marketplace owner. You are no longer a developer deploying someone else's tool, you are a founder building a fintech brand. You control liquidity, fee structure, user acquisition, product roadmap, and your own long-term destiny. You set rules for your trading pairs, decide what markets to open, and define the user experience. That control gives you freedom, but more importantly, it gives you equity in something that matters. Risks, of course, must be managed. But with Binance, you have the architecture to do it right. KYC, two-factor security, trade limits, and multi-wallet separation help you minimize exposure. You can start lean, with spot trading and peer-to-peer, build liquidity, and only later enable binary or futures once you have enough user base and capital. That phased approach reduces risk for you while maintaining scalability. In terms of user retention and engagement, your platform becomes much more than a trading website, it becomes a community. With referral rewards, multi-wallet interactions, and trade incentives, users come back. They move between wallets, experiment with trade types, and bring others. Your platform stays alive. That activity isn't just volume, it's stickiness, and stickiness is one of the most crucial metrics for long-term platform health. Using Binance means owning a fintech growth engine, not just a piece of software. You invest once, deploy once, and scale continuously. The technology stack, built on Laravel, Bootstrap, and jQuery, is stable, maintainable, and extensible. You can iterate, innovate, and evolve as market needs shift. You could add staking, margin trading, or entirely new modules later. The starting point is solid, but the roadmap is yours. If you are ready to lead in the digital asset revolution rather than just trade on someone else's exchange, if you want to build a branded trading business that generates transaction fees, subscription revenue, and referral-driven growth, then Binance is not just a product, it's your business engine. It's your gateway to building a legitimate, scalable, and investable crypto trading company.